Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be drafting a basic sleeve, and here are our measurements. First we take our brown paper and then we smooth it out and try to fold it in half, which we have already done. Then next we make sure that it's straight. We make sure that the brown paper is straight, and then we lay out our measurement. I'm using 7.5 for the slide. We make sure that it's slided, it won't be straight. The measurement, the first measurement won't be straight. I'll advise you to leave a little space at the tip. Then you mark your 7.5. The next thing that you do is to join it with the top to create a slope that we're going to use later on for the curve, for the measurements. The next thing that we're going to do is to get the length of the sleeve. I'm going to use 9.5. I added 1 inch in order for the hemming to take place. That's 8.5 I'm actually using for the full length of the sleeve. As you've seen there, that's the 1 inch for the hemming. Then we draw our line. We'll also draw our line and able to connect. When we are done, we'll find the midpoint of our sleeve length. With that, we'll use it and measure for our round sleeve. When we measure for our round sleeve, I'm using 6 inches. I'm using 6 inches. I'm putting half for it because of the sewing allowances. I'm going to be using 6 inches for that measurement. So when I'm done with measuring that out, I will mark my 6 inches and plus half, that's 6.5. I'm going to mark 6.5. Then I'll connect with my ruler, and I connect with my ruler the tip. I also connect the down slope. Make sure that it's also 7.5 for the down, so you won't make too much mistake there. Next thing that we are going to do after doing that is we'll check if everything is in place for the full measurement that we have already carried out. Then we'll create our slope, 1/2 inch at the top and 1/2 inch at the bottom, and a perfect slide to reach our tip, our front top, something like that. We just try to connect, but we also create a 1/2 inch at both sides. Some people will actually do this at 3 sides, but I'm going to do it at only 2 sides in order for it to be a little spacious while connecting the sleeve. Then we'll cut with our scissors, just as you have seen there, and make sure that I cut very carefully in order not to encroach into a foreign line or created. We make sure that we cut and it's even. This is just the basic sleeve. You can design it however you want. You can even perfect to the 2-leaf sleeve, which I'm going to be showing in my next video. But for this video, we only measure the basic sleeve. With the basic sleeve, you can get any kind of sleeve measurement. Yeah, you see, we're done. And if you open it, this is what you're going to have. You're going to have like a hill and a valley, I'm to put it that way. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel for more sewing tips and videos. See you in the next video.